Right, so we've got the rest of the panels painted up now. Use the same trick, priming them, laying down orange, putting the stickers on over the orange, then top coating them or base coating them, and now we're going to get to peeling the stickers off, and hopefully as we peel these off we should reveal nice orange embossed logos into the paint. Let's see how this goes. I've actually managed to peel the paint off the red logo there. Right, that one's all ready for clear coat before we put the stickers that go on top on. Yeah, lost that. So another one ready for clear. Yamaha, a nice R. There's a sticker that goes over the top of that. I'll explain that soon. Yeah, another one ready for clear. Okay, I don't know if the camera just switched off then or if I forgot to press play, but we've now removed the stickers from the other panels and I can now show you why it's just got R on there. So I couldn't get the sticker kit in orange, could only get it in red. So I had to cut the red out of the R, apply the red R onto there over the orange, then paint them, and then once they've been cleared, that sticker will stick over so that the orange comes through the blank bit where I cut the red out from. Tricky, created more work for myself than I needed to, but it was an experiment I wanted to try, so I've had a go, and so far it's been working out well. I'm looking forward to seeing them clear coated and with the stickers on in place where the orange comes through. Nice little trick, but takes some doing.